Hey guys, this is Tim Dawson with Mountain Automotive. Today I got a 2016 Yukon SLT, clean Carfax, all-wheel drive. I'm going to walk you around and show you some features on it real fast. All right, here's a good shot of your rims and tires. No scrapes or scuffs on the rims. Plenty of tread left on the tires as well. Got the nice chrome running boards on the bottom. Now this car is loaded up. You're going to have the proximity key. All you have to do is hit this button right here to unlock the vehicle. You're also going to have blind spot indicators built into the mirror. Of course, you do have a power passenger seat. These seats are leather. There's no rips or tears in these seats at all. This vehicle is also a non-smoker. There's no funny smells inside of the vehicle. No cracks or fading in the dash. Good shot of your third row again, or your middle row again. No rips or tears in these leather seats. Now these seats will be heated as well, and you also have a DVD player up top. Show you your third row. Again, no rips or tears in these leather seats. Now we do have financing available. We have rates as low as 4.24, and we also work with people trying to rebuild their credit. Now you will have backup sensors and a backup camera on this Yukon. Power liftgate, of course. All you have to do is hit the button, open right up. Now you can fold all these seats down flat if you need a little more room. You have all the controls right there. Again, no rips or tears in the middle row. You have all the controls here, so you are going to have heated seats as well. Guys, my name is Tim Dawson with Mountain Automotive. If you have any questions on this Yukon, feel free to give me a call or text at 309-310-3034. You're also going to have parking sensors on the front of this vehicle as well. It's just going to help you park, let you know if you're getting too close to an object. Hop inside, take a look around a little more. Of course, power windows, power locks. These seats are going to be memory as well. Automatic headlights there, adjustable pedals, no rips or tears in the leather seats. Going to have a sunroof up top as well too. Have a nice big touchscreen inside. You are going to have navigation. You can see it on the screen right now. Also going to have a backup camera. You're going to have heated seats and cooled seats. Of course, you will have Bluetooth and cruise control. And this vehicle also is going to have the remaining of the factory warranty. If you guys have any questions on this Yukon, my name's Sam. Please give me a call at 309-310-3034. Thank you.